morning po sa inyong lahat. May ganap tayo today dahil sabi ko nga sa inyo napakalamig dito at lahat ng mga kanal ay nag-ice na. So ang mga tao po dito, all the people here are nagsiskating sila, ice skating. So mag-ice skating tayo today. Ayan guys, o diba tubig po 'yan. Ayan. O diba? Nagsa-ice skating sila diyan, o. Wow! Actually, hindi ako sure kung makakapag-ice skating ako today. Kasi wala naman, itong top skates mahal.
Mats has.
Ay, Mats? Andoon kasi yung yung kapatid ni Daniel, pero hindi ko po yan sila ipapakita ha, dahil privacy. At andoon yung mga anak ng kuya ni Daniel. So mag-ice skating po kami. Alam nyo guys, pangarap ko talaga yan. That's my dream, mahal. Super duper dream. Every time we go to Manila, because before only in Manila they have the ice skating, like in the mall ba?
Okay.
Yeah, in the mall, but I never tried because it's super expensive. At walang time ba na magpunta doon, natatatakot na din, no? So ay, patingin-tingin lang po ako sa MOA. Pag nagpunta ako sa Manila, nanonood lang ako ng mga nag-ice skating, no? So today, sana naman ay makapag-ice skating na ako. Pero nung nasa Davao pa po ako, marunong akong mag-rollerblades. I had rollerblades, mahal.
Yeah.
In Davao. But is it the same?
It is not really the same, but then again, it also is. It's a little bit.
What is harder? Rollerblades or ice skating?
Ice skating.
Patay tayo dyan. Dito na tayo guys. Tingnan nyo, ang dami pa rin pong snow dito na side, no? So maglalakad tayo, pakita ko sa inyo yung yung tubig nila na naging ice one. Ha? Ay, may gloves, may gloves. Nakalimutan ko yung gloves ko pala. Ayan na guys. Ayan, tubig po yan siya na naging ice. Hanggang doon yan siya, no? Lahat po ng tubig dito. Hala! What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
I'm making myself warm.
Are you doing ice skating today?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't like ice skating.
Why not?
Because last time I did that when I was little, I fell on the back of my head. It's not good.
Okay. Hala, pagka-sexy, oy. You're super sexy, mahal, with your in-earth. Tara na, let's go. There's a lot of snow here, oh, still. A lot of snow here, mahal. Let's go. Doon, oh, maraming nag-ice skating po. See? A lot of snow. Huh? Why it's not ice yet, mahal?
Yeah. Why are we not on the ice yet? Here, let's go on the ice.
Go to the ice. What?
Don't jump.
No?
Just step.
No?
Mm.
Or ice, my love.
Yeah.
Amin na daw, be.
Jumping with ice. You always need to be careful with ice.
Wow. Nice.
Try to take ice.
Yeah.
It's good.
Sige daw, you daw. Sige daw, you daw.
Ice.
Mga buwang. Mga wala kasi kaming no. Walang mga skates. Ba, sige na, mahal. Go, my love. Skating ba? Woo! Careful! Ayan po yung itsura, oh. Oh, diba? Pero wala, hindi mo makita ang mga isda. Ha?
Leaves in the ice.
Ayun, mga tao nag-ice skating na sila. Nice.
Are you okay? Mahal, look here. Yeah. Yeah, go here. It's easy, right? Like roller skating? Lubut. Wait, here. Hold my hand. Yes.
Go there, go.
Okay, I'll stop it. Yeah, I'm looking into the sun though, so maybe I should walk this way.
Wait lang ha. And then I'll come to you.
So is this all you ever dreamed of? Ice skating? Ice skating in nature, Mahal, not even in a fake, in the real nature.
them.
What?
Super easy for them.
Yeah, of course. Because they're all Dutch. Huh? You know, Dutch children are ice skating before they can walk. Okay, give us a kiss. Kiss to the camera.
Wala na, hindi na po ako nag-skating pero andito pa rin tayo sa ice. Nagubad na ako dahil grabe no, as in, napakahirap pala niyan. Okay lang mag rollerblades pero ice skating, ang hirap i-balance, ang sakit po ng aking mga paa. Ayan, ang dami pong nag-ice skating sa akin likod. Nice no.
So, do you want to do that again? No. But I thought this was your big dream to go ice skating.
I don't want anymore. I'm good with the rollerblades.
Are you happy you tried this?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah.
But I am not happy that I fell.
Yeah. But luckily you just fell on your butt.
Daniel did not try it.
I fell on the back of my head.
Really,
Not now,
Mahal?
but long time ago. That's why I'm not skating anymore.
Super.
Yeah, my legs went whoop. So I just fell on the back of my head like that.
All of the people there also.
They're all
Most of them.
falling.
Yeah, they're all falling. A lot of them.
Yes.
Parang wala lang nangyari. Batas, agad, tayo agad. Mag-ice skating na naman. Let's go home, my love.
Yes, let's go home.
Super
I'll start
cool.
the car.
Nakauwi na tayo, guys! Grabe ang experience ko today, guys. I am super duper happy talaga no na after 30 years of existence, almost 30 years of existence, ay nakapag-try na talaga akong mag-ice skating. Dati pangarap ko lang po yan at hindi pala siya madali. Nasabi ko ba sa inyo na slide po ako. Hindi ako nakapagsuot ng ice skating, skates. Hindi po ako nakasuot nun ha, pero na-slide pa rin ako habang naglalakad. Nagamit lang ang sapatos ko. At grabe niya talaga kahirap i-balance. Ang sakit-sakit po ng puwit ko at parang mamamaga ang aking kamay dahil ang lakas po ng pagkabagsak ko, no? Pero, ang importante, buhay! Marami palang nagtatanong ng mga Tagalog, ano pala ang importante buhay? Ibig sabihin po ng buhay ay buhay. So, that means importante, buhay. So, ngayon na nasa bahay na tayo, may dumating na package! Char! Ito, alam ko na talaga, no? Galing sa Zara. Kahapon, di ba, galing si Bian nandito. Sabi niya po, wow! Bago na naman ang dress mo. Ang dami-dami mo ng damit. Nabash na naman ako ni Bianan. Sabi, ang dami-dami mo ng damit. Ilan na ba ang dress mo? Sabi ko, 100 na. Vika, this is, for number 101 of my dress. Sabi ko sa kanya, 100 na. Lahat ng dress ko ba? Ang dami ko na pong dress. Nahihilig ako ngayon sa dress, no. Dati, ang binibili ko yung mga jumpsuit. Pero ngayon, babaihan na si Inday Garnet. Nagbago na po ako, dress na naman ang aking tirada. Tagalog ba yung tirada, guys? Parang saya man yan. Wow! Ay, this is not a dress. This is actually a romper. Wow! From Zara, guys. Ay! This will be very nice and sexy. Oh, abangan nyo po ha. Ay, grabe ka orange. Uy, abangan nyo po sa mga susunod natin na wait lang, sa sobrang lamig. Sa susunod po natin, ay, open pala ang kanyang likod. Sa susunod, hindi matuloy-tuloy ang ating sinasabi ba? Sa susunod natin na vlog ay susuotin ko po ito, no? Ang ganda niya, guys. Orange na orange. Para may pinaglalaban. At may dumating! Ano kaya ito? Another package. Buksan natin. Parang alam ko na to. Parang alam ko na kung ano to, guys. Dahil may in-order po ako. Paano bubuksan to? Uy. Wait lang, ha? Ay! Siya nga! Dumating na yung aking regalo for myself and for my company. Ang ating new camera. Gusto ko po kasi na mag-upgrade yung ating mga vlogs, no, na mas maganda yung kuha ng ating mga vlogs ba. Pero ito, gagamitin ko pa rin po itong camera natin. Yung pang lang ba, backup. So, ito po yung binili ko. Sony Vlog Camera ZV-1. Kailangan nating mag-invest, no? Para mas maganda. At para mas maganda si Inday Garnet sa mga vlogs natin. Kailangan maganda din ang camera. Look what I have!
Wow! You unpacked it without your husband here.
Now you're here. So now I got this, mahal. I'm super happy because now I can just buy what I want. I can buy my dress. Do you know, because how many dress do you have, Garnet?
This is your new camera for your company.
Yeah, for my company. I'm super happy, mahal, that I can just buy what I want. But this one, we really need this. But like this, ba? Like this. Because Vika said, how many do you have for your dress? 100. And this is the 101. Maybe, let's open it.
Why is there a dead cat on top of the camera?
Because, mahal, a lot of the people are saying that they cannot really hear our voice when we are vlogging outside, when we do have travel vlogs because of the
and the dead cat will stop the
wind
noise, the wind noise.
Yeah, the wind noise. This will stop the wind noise.
Do you think it's very cold here inside?
Yeah. I don't want to take this out because they did not see my, my inside sweater yet. Because after this, we will still vlog, so I don't need to change anymore. What? I need to
What
adjust,
about me?
mahal. Oy! It's fine, mahal.
Yeah, to me it's fine.
Yeah, you don't need to adjust. Ito na po yung ating new camera. Oh, I'm so happy. Salamat, guys.
Upside down.
Sa inyong panunood ng mga
You have it upside down.
ng mga vlogs natin, no. Ito po ang nabili ko para sa ating company.
Show me.
Sige.
I want to see.
Super small, right? I think it's smaller than this. Yeah, it's smaller than what we have right now. Ano kasi yung gamit ko? G7X Mark II. At ito naman ay Sony ZV-1. Made for vlogging daw talaga ito. Kasi ito daw ay napakaganda ang focusing. This one is super good focusing, ha? Because when I am doing grocery haul, it's not good. Because like this, this one, it's not really focusing, right? Pero ito, pag ganun mo pa lang, tapos pagbalik, mag-focus agad sa ating muka. Kaya ko siya binili. At lalo na yung mas maganda daw ang sounds nito, no?
There's no view. I cannot put my eye there.
Because I need to charge the...
No.
Hello? Right.
I cannot do this.
Do I have that here?
No, that one also doesn't have.
But this one is...
You can only use the screen.
Look, my love.
It's the same size, mahal.
No, it's smaller.
It's the same size,
Mahal, it's smaller, mahal.
It's the same size,
See,
mahal.
it's smaller, guys.
It's the same size, mahal.
So, guys, maraming salamat po. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa mga kabuang natin today? What do you want to eat today? For lunch?
For lunch? I don't know, just a sandwich.
Sandwich?
Sandwich.
So guys, nag-enjoy po ba kayo sa ating paggala today with me ice skating and me
falling on the ice?
So guys, sana
And
nag-enjoy
saying you
kayo.
never want to go ice skating again.
No, not anymore. Not anymore.
That was your lifelong dream and now you never want to do it again.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on our
Salamat.
next one. Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much. We love you all.